In today's video, we're going to be sorting out the exhaust on my Volvo 240 GLT. It's got a little blow from the middle because when I fitted this exhaust, I didn't have any paste, so we got to sort that out. And I've got a really cool custom tip to go on the back. So yeah, watch out for that at the end. Let's get into it. Okay, this is what I'm working with here. When I fitted this brand new exhaust, see there, front to back, all whole new exhaust system, I didn't have any bloody paste with me, so I just chucked the exhaust on. And as you can see here, the black under there, it's leaking from the joints. So what I plan to do today is there's no decent jacking points on this. I've got one point here, and then if I put the axle stand under the axle, the car just goes too low because the axle goes up. The back of this is, I've got one decent point and I can't jack it up on it and put the axle stand there, can I? So I'm having to have that there whilst keeping the jack here, which is a pain in the arse because it's right in the way. But right, I'm going to try and undo these bolts and see if I can slide that out and get the paste in. Okay, first things first, just crack these off. Hopefully sometimes these just break, although fuck the threads when you're trying to do them up. Hopefully this will come undone and be reusable. Come undone pretty easy. Like that. Okay. Come off, and hopefully I can try and get this out. Right, now the other piece of the exhaust, that's the joint there, as you can see there, and then the other piece of the exhaust goes here and then up here and joins there. So if I undo that, I should be able to drop this down and put it this way. That's the plan, so let's try that. Okay, I've hammered this from about there all the way back to there. That edge, I don't know if you can see, was there. So now, I don't want this falling out because it'd be a pain in the ass to get back in. So now I'm going to use the paste, smear the crap out of this and then hammer it back on. Hopefully that should do the trick. But let's try and get as much on as we can all the way around. Just gonna lube up my pole, lube up your exhaust hole. Don't know what I'm saying. Going a bit overboard with this, but I don't care when it's bloody sealed. Stop it blowing. Yeah, that's as far as it's going to go, I think. Yeah, because last time my exhaust was rubbing, and actually might be too far. Yeah, touching the bloody body now. I need to go back a bit. I've gone a bit far. That there? No body rub? No, we're good. Put the clamp back on. How it should be. And that should have sorted that. Let's do this clamp up without rounding the threads off. That's pretty solid, that. Oh. I know. When you get to my age, getting up, that happens. Catherine, yeah. Come here. Come here. As I got up there and I let out the biggest fart, it was like, "Bwah!" And I looked up and Rachel's standing there and she went, "You nearly took off then."
Did you get that on? Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm on the microphone.
One hour later.
Okay, that kind of escalated. The exhaust is now done, but it also led on to me doing this. Also led on to me using the angle grinder to cut out the whole inner lip from here all the way down to there, because when the caravan was on, apparently Catherine said when I went round corners it did rub a little bit, so I've now cut the lip completely out, perfectly down there, bit of underseal in there, job done. Loads more clearance, wheels are never going to rub now. So let's get this wheel back on, see if the exhaust is going to blow, and then I'm going to cut out the other wheel arch, but I'm not going to show you that because it's a bit boring, but then we'll get on with the exhaust tip. Okay, moment of truth. Let's start it up, see if the exhaust is still blowing, or see if I fixed it, before we get on with the thing. Look at the back wheel arch. There's no way that's going to rub anymore. You know, that lip's gone. Look at that. No rubbing at all there. Right, let's start it up, see if the exhaust is blowing. Fingers crossed. I didn't do it before, did I? Oh well. I'm not sure. That's weird. It sounds like it is, but it's actually not. I think that's just the sound of the car. No, it's not blowing. That's just the sound the car makes. Happy days, exhaust isn't blowing. So I'm going to quickly cut the other arch out because I've got to do both sides, haven't I? But you won't see that because that's nothing you really care about. I literally just cut the lip out the inside of the arch. Now we're going to do a tip on the exhaust. I'll show you what I got. Last time I went to the NSRA, National Street View Association. Yeah, last time I went to the swap meet, I managed to find this a gorgeous, proper bit of kit, hot rod exhaust. Look at that. It's properly folded and swaged and other words that I can't think of that make this happen like that, and it's chopped and cut and flanged. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to fit this to the car, but this is what we're working with. On the back of this car we've got this, the exhaust comes out of here, look, but you've got this weird horrible curly bit, don't like it, but if you look under here it is literally just bolted to this. It's just a piece of curl that's bolted, so I'm going to unbolt that, cut it about here, right where this exhaust cutout is, and then I've got to try and get, and then I want that there, but this is bigger than the exhaust is inside. So what my idea is I want to cut this, slice it there, fold these in and weld to it here. That's the plan anyway. First things first, let's see if we can get this tip off the back of the car. Hopefully this will come off without breaking these. Should we do? Oh, there we go. And come on, and we're off. There we go. Is what I'm working with. That's where it goes onto the car. I want it to stick out as far as I can, so that I'm going to cut it about there, and then I want to put this onto there. But because this is too big, look, if I make some slits, then I can fold them in and weld it on. Should work. So first things first, I'm going to be cutting that right there. Right, let's check this on. So that's going to be about, it's going to come out that way. So that exhaust, has that got a top and bottom? It kind of, not really. We want that about there, like that. So if I make some slits in here and fold it in, hopefully that'll work. And see all the slits I've made all the way around. If I tap them in, it should get to that diameter. Fingers crossed. Look at that. That bloody worked. Right, now I'm going to grind off this chrome so I can weld. I drew lines on it to line them up so I know where it's going. But look at that little mushroomy bit that I did around there. It's going to work well, that, isn't it? Once I weld that. Right, where's my welding mask? There it is. Oh God, there's big spiders living in it. Get out. Okay, right. Make sure it's on the right setting. Let's work. My mask isn't going dark. My mask's not working. Great. They ain't coming off. There we go. Workshop will be on fire in about an hour. You watch. Make sure there's nothing on fire around me. If I could find my wire brush, I'd brush this down, but who knows where that's gone. Anyway, as you can see, it's welded. It's not the greatest weld in the world because I couldn't see it, but that is on. What I like to do with things like this, you know what, I don't like them holes. I'm going to weld them holes up because when I look in there I can, I'll be right. What I like to do is spray the inside of this. I don't like seeing that exhaust at the end. I spray the inside of my exhaust black when I do this, so you can't see that. So I've got some stone chip shield, it'll do. So you can't see. Here you go. I prefer that, black in the middle. Right, let's go get this back on the car. Check it out. There we go, look at that. Look at that. That is so much better than that other weird twisty thing, isn't it? I might tilt it down a bit actually. Looking at it with that looks so cool. Look at that. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yes. Well, that was just a quick random video for you guys today. Me doing the tip and fixing the exhaust, but yeah. Oh, I'm going to start it up. There you go. Lovely jubbly. So much better than that horrible exhaust that came out, went like that in here. So yeah, there you have it, peeps. Much better. Anyway, cheers for watching. It wasn't a very good one today. It was just me tinkering. So shows coming up very soon, lots and lots of shows, so watch out for them. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that jazz. I'll see you in the next one.